Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep is a steal with less than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, and it was garage kept, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, stability control, and traction control. Call for an appointment today.